My name is Aluna Fitri. Today I want to tell you a story, a little monkey and a fish. It's a story about a young, playful and clever monkey who learns to make his way by mimicking his mother. What do you think, friends? Let's see. One morning, a little baby monkey was playing in a tree while his mother picked fruit. The little baby monkey was picking leaves. He was happy. He picked all the leaves of one branch, so he jumped to another branch. Crack! The branch broke as the little monkey fell. A big fish jumped out of the water, but a strong hand reached out just in time and saved the little monkey. Can you guess who saved the little monkey, friends? Yeah, it was the monkey's mom. Next morning, the little baby monkey came back to picking leaves again. He threw some of the leaf into the water. I think he wants to check the fish again, and that's right. The big fish come again, but all of the sudden, aha! Smart little monkey. Do you know what he did? He hanging by a rope from the tree, so the little monkey not fell again. He learned how to keep himself safe in the tree. So, friends, this is a good story. So, friends, how did you find the story of little and clever monkey?